Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable the multi-point connection of your Technics earbuds. So to do this, you have to go to the settings, and then when you are right here, you have to scroll down until you find the multi-point, and here you are able to get the one connection. Now just wait until it stops switching. And then you can also go for the two devices to get this multi-point connection. And there's also a small description of each function. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.